You just spent over $1,500 on the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max, thinking you have the absolute best of the best. But guess what? Apple is already gearing up to make your brand new phone feel outdated. Because the leaks about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, yeah, they're kind of insane. And today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. So, if you want to know whether you should hold off on upgrading or if Apple is just playing its usual marketing mind tricks, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. So, let's start with the first big shocker. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might have the most controversial design change we've seen in years. You've probably seen all these leaks floating around with some kind of weird pixel-style camera bar on the back. Looks cool, right? Except it makes absolutely no sense. See, Apple has been pushing spatial video like it's the next big thing in filmmaking. But here's the problem. To record proper spatial video, you need two cameras sitting side by side, just like human eyes. If Apple suddenly switched to a horizontal camera layout, say goodbye to your fancy 3D videos. So, as wild as these leaks look, I'd say they're probably as real as a unicorn riding a Tesla. That said, a much more believable design was recently leaked by insider Megan Boo. But here's the thing. Megan Boo leaks a lot, and not all of it turns out to be true. So, take it with a grain of salt, or maybe an entire bag. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where things get very interesting. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to come with a triple 48 megapixel camera system, including a 48 megapixel main camera, because of course, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, finally a serious ultra-wide upgrade, a 48 megapixel periscope zoom camera, aka the lens that will finally let you take spy-level zoom shots without pixelating into oblivion. And just when you thought Apple was done, they're reportedly doubling the selfie camera resolution from 12 to 24 megapixel. That's right. Sharper selfies, better FaceTime calls, and an even higher chance of accidentally exposing your pores in Ultra HD. But here's where it gets crazy. This camera upgrade is only for the Pro models. So if you're thinking of getting a regular iPhone 17, you're stuck with the budget tier camera setup. For months, rumors have been flying that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will finally ditch the dynamic island and go full screen with an under-display Face ID system. And honestly, that would be a game changer. But then, out of nowhere, the most reliable Apple insider, Ming-Chi Kuo, drops a bombshell. The dynamic island is staying for another year. Yep, that's right. For the fourth year in a row, we might be stuck with the same cutout. Now, to be fair, dynamic island has gotten better over time, but if Apple doesn't change the iPhone's design soon, they're basically just giving Samsung free marketing points. Okay, but what about performance? Well, according to leaks, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is getting the new A19 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. Translation, more power, better efficiency, and a serious upgrade in AI-driven features. Pair that with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, and this thing is shaping up to be a beast. But here's the question. Can Apple finally fix battery life? Because while the iPhone 16 series already improved things, rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max will come with a 4,900 milliampere battery and a much-needed jump to 50-watt fast charging. Finally, no more waiting 2 hours for your phone to charge. All right, now for the part that might hurt, the price. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to start at around $1,299 to $1,399, which, let's be honest, is basically the cost of a decent laptop at this point. And if you go for the 1 terabyte model, you're probably looking at something closer to $1,799. What the heck? So, should you be excited about this phone? Honestly, yes and no. If you're rocking an iPhone 15 or older, this could be a massive upgrade, but if you just bought the iPhone 16, you might want to hold off unless you really want that upgraded camera system and under-display Face ID. But what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max shaping up to be the ultimate upgrade? Or is Apple just recycling ideas with a new price tag? Let me know in the comments. And hey, before you go, smash that like button, or your phone might start charging at 2 watts just to spite you. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.